Namaste, this is Ruti Chaudhary of Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 2 Darbhanga of class 9. I am here participating in Viksit Bharat, My Idea. In My Idea on my topic water conservation and management. As we know that water is a basic essential for life. If the water gets reduced, it is hard to survive here. That's why I innovated an idea which named fog water harvesting plus smart irrigation, in which we first harvest water from the fog mist present in the atmosphere. For harvesting, we use a nylon net. By this, when the water pass or move in the atmosphere, if get trapped in the net, and after few hours, when the all net get the fog mist collected, we take storage tank and we can see that liters of water were collected in it. Now, after collecting the fog, the stored water can be used for many things like drinking water, bathing, farming. But in farming, irrigation costs so much water, even more than it's needed. For this, we use smart irrigation by using soil moisture sensor, in which the soil moisture sensor senses were placed inside the plant, and when it senses that the soil is dry, then it automatically on the circuit and the water gets supplied. And when it senses the wet soil, and by fog water harvesting we conserve the water, and by smart irrigation we manage the water. Now, as we know that everything has some disadvantages. So in my project, the disadvantages or problems are first in fog water harvesting. It's time taken, depend on nature, temperature and area. In this, the weather is also important. And second, in smart irrigation, if the sensor senses firstly moisture, then it automatically gets off before producing the water everywhere. So now, what's the solution of these problems? The solution of my problems are, first, fog water harvesting. If it's time taken, then we use vacuum which attract the mist, and for temperature we use the hilly regions for good temperature. Now in smart irrigation, for proper supply of water, we use drip irrigation, by which it can be supply the water in which region to the end of the root. Thank you.